Hi everybody, welcome to Bugging Out RV, and I'm David.
I'm Kelly.
And what we're going to do today, we're getting ready to go on a little camping trip this weekend. And during our little pre-inspection, what we did, we went to let the canopy out the other day, and we actually have an LED that runs, right, it's actually sewn to the canopy.
Like most.
And the threads at one end, they're rotten, so our light fell. So what we're going to do today is Kelly's going to be doing the work. I'm still recovering from surgery. But she's going to get up here and we're going to try to move the light from the canopy and actually mount it right about here to the side of the trailer. So we'll get our stuff together and we'll get busy. Okay, so you can see a little closer view of it. You can see where it came loose. Like I said, the threads just were rotten and just came loose. So Kelly's gonna start here where we tried to fix it before, but it's just not sticking. So we're gonna clean it a little bit better this time. But what she's gonna do first, she's gonna go all the way down the whole length of the light and actually go ahead and cut the threads the rest of the way off. And
so that they don't damage the awning if some of them are still tight.
You can see, you can probably see where it was sewn. It's actually looks like it's perforated now. We'll be putting some awning repair tape on that later once we get some. So there she goes. She's gonna start cutting it, and when she gets done with there, we'll start cleaning it. Okay, we got the light. Well, Kelly got the light down, and what she's doing now, she's got a bottle of alcohol and a rag, and she's just gonna go make sure where we're gonna mount it is thoroughly clean before we try to stick our double-sided tape on it. And what she did, she just poked a small hole in the top of the alcohol bottle to make it a little easier to manage, and we're not pouring alcohol all the way down the side of our camper. So we'll give her a few minutes to get that done, and we'll see if we can get the light put back up. Okay, she's a trooper. She's got it all the way from one end down to the other. She's finishing up now. You want to make sure when you do something like this that you clean it thoroughly. Like I said, we used just regular rubbing alcohol and rubbed it down where the tape was going to stick. Last time we didn't do that and it fell off, so we learned a lesson. And you can see that hard plastic cover on our strip light, it's been out in the sun and the weather, it's warped, so hopefully it stays. But that's it. All right, let us know what you think. Have you ever had this issue with your rig before? If so, leave us a comment below and let us know. Kelly's fine work. Give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for notifications. We'll see you next time.
Somewhere over here or down here.